I need to get out of here. Your pathetic, weak, pathetic shape. Somebody help! Do not trust me! Please, don't kill me! Silence your faith. So now you shouldn't learn your lesson. So you must be punished by anyway. Hey! Get your filthy hands off him! So else I will blast you and up into your taser and remains. Oh, you're challenging me? Throw me at the taser and see what happens. My taser's broken. Oh no, 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 no. Shoot, shoot, shoot! Hey, are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay. So, what's your name? Oh, my name is Violet. So I'm Violet, a.k.a. Lightning. Oh, you want lightning? Yeah, I don't know, speakers are going out of control. I don't know how. Maybe the shapeshifter god possessed him. He controls my friend. Oh, come here. Come here. Just give me a hug. I just don't know how. It's okay. I'm here. It's okay.